Hello and welcome to the management major. If you're receiving this video, it's because you were previously in a different business major and have decided to switch over to management. We're excited to have you. So my name is Kaylee Riggs. I'm going to be your academic advisor. So just helping you keep on track to graduation, make sure you're taking the right classes, and able to assist with anything needed as far as dual majors, adding minors, that type of thing.
My name is Chiki Tuilita, and I'm the career specialist, and I'm here to help you with your professional progression while you're here at school.
Okay, so we also have Amanda Peterson. She is our statewide campus advisor. So if you are located at one of our statewide campus locations, even if you're not necessarily taking classes at that particular location, but you're doing them online within that area, Amanda Peterson would be your academic advisor. She's absolutely wonderful to work with. Same if you start here as a Logan Main campus, but end up relocating to one of our statewide campus locations, she will be your advisor. So highly recommend meeting with her if you are at one of those locations.
Okay, I wanted to take just a minute to talk a little bit about the management major. So if you're switching into the management major, you hopefully have either talked to Kaylee or I, or you've done, some research on your own to kind of figure out that this is the best fit for you. This is where you want to be. Management major is a really fun one because there is a lot of opportunities for you to do after you graduate with it, and sometimes it's kind of a double-edged sword because there's a lot that you can do with it, but then also it's kind of hard because there's so much that you can do with it, right? So that is why I'm here, to kind of help you figure out exactly what you can do, and like what professional options you have after you graduate. We've got 4 emphases that you can choose from. You don't have to choose them, but these are kind of some of the areas of specialty that our faculty have and that some of the classes will focus on. So healthcare management, human resources management, operations and supply chain management, and wealth management. And again, you don't have to choose an emphasis, but if you are leaning more towards one, then you definitely can, and that can be fun for you to kind of have an area of specialty. We have a lot of opportunities for you to get involved here within the management major, and we really want you to try and focus on finding those meaningful work experiences. So it can be anything from, an internship to a part-time job to doing a case competition to being like in a leadership position on a student board. There's so many things that you can do, and those are really some of the best ways that you're going to be able to explore the major and do some career exploration. You're gonna be able to just try new things, which will be fun. And these meaningful work experiences are going to be really what kind of end up setting you apart from people that maybe have the same academic credentials as you. You're now going to have these professional experiences that are going to set you apart, which will be really helpful for you. I kind of mentioned it a little bit, but like all of the other Huntsman programs, we have the student clubs through the management department. And these are a really great opportunity for you, especially if you're interested in one of those emphases, or you just want to get to know some of the opportunities through the management department a little bit better. These clubs are really helpful for that. So we've got the Athletic Administration Club. If you're at all interested in working in athletics, Healthcare Administration Club is extremely helpful for networking, especially if you want to go and do a graduate program after. The Shingo Institute Student Chapter, or the Shingo Student Center, is really awesome. And they have a lot of fun networking opportunities. They have a lot of guest speakers that will come in. They host fun case competitions and just different operational kind of student competitions that are fun to kind of help students get a little bit more awareness, I guess, about all of the opportunities within operations, but then also give a lot of times and chances for you to be a student leader, which is really cool. The Society for Human Resources Management is a really great program to get involved with. This is a nationally recognized program, which is awesome because it's going to help, especially with networking, professional development. They have certificates and credentials that you can get that can really help elevate your opportunities for professional development after you graduate. And then we also have the Pre-Law Society. And the Pre-Law Society is really awesome. It's connected with the Aggie Legal Network, and it's for anybody that is interested in either undergraduate or graduate level law studies. If you're interested in going to politics or law, This is a really, really phenomenal program for you to get involved with, and with a lot of really good faculty and professional mentoring as well, which is helpful. So that's a little bit of the overview of the fun things that we have that we want to share with you. And we just want to encourage you and invite you to schedule an appointment with us. We are here to help you with whatever you need. So you can schedule an appointment, huntsman.usu.edu/appointment, or scanning the QR code. And we're very excited to have you in the management major.